You're watching Charlie Brown on Nickelodeon. Alright, time to go to this cool Halloween party. Charlie Brown? What are you doing, Lucy? Why are you wearing a Halloween costume? I'm not. Hey, Charlie Brown, I made it to the Halloween costume. Hey guys, I made it. What, Snoopy? I'm out of here. No! No, come on, guys! Huh. You know, cartoons have really changed ever since I first started watching them. Yes, they have. What? Whoa. Orville? What's up, man? Whoa. Oh my gosh! Are you trapped as your own mystery mini? What? No, I'm right here. Huh? Bruh. I'm literally standing right here, man. Oh. Hey, what's up? Not much. Yeah, I've just been chilling. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, Camel, I'm usually only in school videos as the teacher. But I love this little figure of me. So cool. I know, it's really amazing. You know, the pizzeria characters need to be in another video altogether again. Yeah, they should. Or maybe they will. Oh my goodness, I did not expect that. Hey guys, what you doing? Pig Patch, where have you been all this time? Can I just not talk about it, man? It's been a rough time. Oh, sure, I guess. Well, at least it's good to see you. Yeah, man, you've meant a lot. I actually went to the store to buy me another mystery mini because I've gotten so many that I finally got a second pizzeria character, and it was me, Orville. Oh, cool. Who was the other pizzeria character you got? I know you have a lot of mystery mini characters, but you only have 2 pizzerias. So what's the other pizzeria? Oh, it was Rockstar Foxy because he's an easy one to get. Oh, I think mine was like a 1 in 12 or a 1 in 24. I know it was not a 1 in 6. That was only Rockstar Freddy and Rockstar Foxy. Well, I've just been thinking lately about maybe we should all play outside together or do a... Huh? Just got a message. Hold up. Let me check what this is. What? Is that an iPhone 6? Oh, yeah? Why? Who uses those anymore? Dude, is that a... Wait. Is that a Kindle? Dude, is that a Kindle? Yeah. Dude, who uses those anymore? Yeah, those are, like, older than... Actually, these are older. But still, Kindles are for babies. I still have this when I was a kid, and it still works perfectly fine. Show me. Yeah, I've seen it works. Oh. You guys suck. Yeah. Wait. Is that a Samsung? Why do we all have phones for the 2000s? Hey guys, want to watch me play Five Nights at Freddy's? They're all free on a Kindle. Look, I got FNAF 1, FNAF 3, and FNAF 4, and also FNAF 2. I got the first 4 main games, FNAF 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one should I play? Do the main one. Do the main one. Okay, alright, while you guys are doing that, I'm check who messaged me. Dude, I had planned it. It's about the story. Oh, warning. Oh. This brings back the memories. I know, dude. Night 3 you're on? Yeah. Can I try? Yeah, okay. I'm doing it. What? Guys! You know what? Someone's calling! Pick up the phone, dude! I'm trying! Guys! Oh my god! Hello? Hey!
Hey, you're doing great.
Thank you!
Most people don't last this long.
Last this long?
You know,
What?
we move on to things are getting weird.
Guys.
Hey, listen,
Hold up. This man's trying to do something. Guys.
and want to avoid
Chicken's on! Chicken's Where's the...
Then there's a chance that
Anyways, as I was saying, you might want to take a look at this. It's a black screen. Oh! Hold up, let me turn it on. Okay, let's see, Whoa! Oh my god! Is that 10 million subscribers? He hit 10 million subscribers! Ah! I know, it's so unbelievable! What? Really, dude? I'm gonna play FNAF 2. Continue. Click it. Ow! I'm gonna play FNAF 2! Yeah! We're gonna have to have a word with Rockstar Freddy. Okay. I actually gotta go, I gotta go do something with my Mr. Mini, so, bye! What? Oh, I don't believe this. There's no white. There's no white! There, yes, it has to be. Come on! They gone? Oh, I'm gonna play with FNAF 2! Come on, Mr. Mini, let's go! Oh god, dude, I can't believe it. Your channel's grown so fast. I know, it's amazing. Hey, Big Patch, what is it? We gotta have a word with him. But, oh no, this doesn't seem right. He earned these subs. I know, but I don't know how he gained 10 million subs already. Okay, I'll stay behind. Okay, fine. Lefty? What are you doing? Rockstar Freddy, how did you gain 10 million subs in just a year? You started last year in July. Makes no sense. I don't know. I always made bad content, I thought. Yeah, you do. And now people like them because they actually are good now. Yeah, I can't remember how I did. Oh, yeah! I remember! I got raided by a famous YouTuber called Creecraft. Whoa! Yeah, and I got raided by 2 other YouTubers, like PewDiePie, Mr. Beast, and I gained 10 million subs. It's pretty cool. They actually shouted me out. Now that I think about it, it's pretty crazy, right? Calm down, Lefty. How many subscribers do you have in your channel? Maybe you gained a good amount. I used to have 74. Now I have 26. What? What did you do? I made a video that was actually inappropriate. People hated me and then unsubscribed. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, it doesn't matter. Man. But wait, I just realized something. Shouldn't you have 3 play buttons then? What do you mean? Well, like when you hit 100,000 subscribers, you have the silver play button, and when you hit 1 million subs, you get the golden play button. And then since you have 10 million subs now, that means you should have the diamond play button. And then at 50 subs, you get a custom play button, and then 100 million subs. 50 million, and then 100 million, you get the red diamond play button. That's a thing? Yeah, pretty cool. Huh, I do have 2 already, actually, now that I think about it. I actually have my silver play button, and I just got my diamond play button a few days ago. But it's weird, because, well, I've never gotten my golden play button. Oh, well, congrats, but still, how did you not never get your golden play button? I don't know. Maybe because games growed so fast that they completely forgot that I didn't have a play button. I don't know. Like, it says they sent it to me, but then I never got it. What? Yeah, you're gonna have to go on a mission and find this thing. We're gonna have to ask people. I found it. Here it is. Your play button. That's my silver one. Where's your diamond one? It's over there. Ooh. I'm gonna go look at it. What? Well, you know what, Rockstar Freddy? I'm gonna help you find your golden play button, because you deserve this. So let's go. It's not gonna be easy. I don't care. Let's go. Okay. Oh, don't worry, Rockstar Freddy. I'm sure we'll find your golden play button. I doubt it. Literally, we checked the whole pizzeria place and all of our friends, even Dread Bear and Grim Foxy. There's no luck, man. I guess we're gonna accept defeat. Man, I really wish I could help more, but maybe you're right. We've checked almost everywhere. And the other FNAF people are out of town, and they've been gone before the package was ever sent to your house. So there's no way they could have taken it. So, I don't know. I think we just found a dead zone. We can help. Huh? What? We were gonna help you. Yes, we want to help. We know how badly you wanted your golden play button, and you've earned it. You deserve to have that. No one else deserves to take something that's not from them. It's just that I know you checked everywhere, but we may know one person who might know who took it. Wait, what? Are you serious? Really? Who is this person? Take us to them! If you're up to it, then we'll do it, but it's not gonna be easy. We're gonna have to give them something, because they only accept things for the truth. So, do you have anything that you want to give them? We can do it, but don't worry. We have already something we can give them. Now follow us. Let's come on, Jade Bear, let's go. Alright. There's no chance. Let's go. Okay. What do you guys want? We have something for you. A trade for something. Okay, what is it? Fully functionable, broken down robot head we found in the forest. Storage. Yo, Bun! Yo, what is it? See if this is real. Yep, it's real. Okay, take it in. And then I'll tell you what's next. Yes, sir. Bring in the intruder! Stay down! Come on! Keep it down. Well. Tell them who took it. I'll never talk. Talk to me, damn it, or I'll throw you in the vent! Okay. I'll tell you. I saw him. He was a spy. He doesn't look good. He's not friendly. He took the thing. That's all I know. But he wears brown clothes. And I can tell you he's not a nice man. That's good enough for me. Now bring in the rat. No, you said you wouldn't. Well, that's good enough. Now get out of here before you guys end up like it. That's the only clue you get. Let's go. Okay. Wait, aren't you Foxy's girlfriend? I'm not even going to talk about that. But yes. Oh, nice. How did he know that? Alright, people. I'm going to help you find this bad guy. And we're going to get you guys' golden play button back. Mostly Rockstar Freddy's, I guess you could say. But anyways, I have my men. And we are going to protect the base. And so, yeah. This is the thing. We're going to have some of you guys go out there and try to find that guy. We'll be at the base and we'll tell you anything happens. So, who wants to stay with me at the base? I'll take a strong person. A strong guy. Because we do a lot of the soldiers. We don't have many soldiers. Only a few of them are strong. Some of them are weak. So we need some help. Well, I'm pretty strong, but I don't know. You got this, buddy. Really? Yes. Okay. I'll go. Alright. The rest of you, go out there. Stay safe. You guys got this. Let's go. Alright, guys. Let's go find this bad guy. Well. Looks like they found out that that's missing. I don't have much longer to run. I gotta keep moving, though, before they find out. Alright, guys. My tracking thing says that it's here. He's somewhere around here, but doesn't particularly say where. It says he's right on us, but I don't know. There's 3 rooms. This room, that room over there, and the room right down there. So, I'm gonna take the room to the left, and yeah, lefty. And Rockstar, stay safe, guys. Rockstar, you wanna stay here? No, I'm gonna go to the right, cause I need to find my gun play button. It's my responsibility. Okay, I guess I'll look around here. All right, good luck, pal. You too. It's kind of dark in here. Oh! This helps. Okay. Hello? You made a big mistake in coming here. And what I mean in a big mistake, I mean a really big mistake. So I'll give you a chance to have an option. You either leave or you fight me. Well, that's the thing. Do you have what I'm looking for? I don't know. You tell me. Somebody named Toy Foxy told you about me? She is right. You are a spy and you have been watching us the whole time. Ever since you first got your golden play button delivered, I saw it. And it was mine. And ever since, I watched you guys. And now this day, after 2 whole weeks, you finally... No, not 2 weeks. Now think about it. Stupid. After 5 months, because it took you forever just to 10 million subs after 1 million subs. So after 5 months, I finally found you. So I do have your golden play button. But that doesn't mean you're going to get it. Even if you beat me, I'm not going to let you get it. Because the only way you're going to get it is if you kill me. What's never going to happen? Oh, my bones. Let me tell you a little story about me. You see, in my whole life, I only lost 3 times. I never lost a fourth. And when I was growing up, the rules were, if you lost, you either had to ruin some of your skin on your body, or, the worst part, you had to cut a piece of your bone off. Ugh. So when I lost the first 2 times, I decided to get 2 tattoos on me for the 2 times I lost. That was the top of my eye and at the bottom. But, little did I know, after a while, you'd have to get one of your bones cut off. Because you can never get more than 2 tattoos, or else I'd just be not fair. So I made my choice. And I thought I would cut off the thing that was mostly useless. And that was my ring finger. You see, it wasn't easy when I got my hand cut off because of how bad it hurt. To the point that all these years of fighting, I learned my lesson to never lose. So then, after all these years of fighting, my hands got so tired and they got so hurt that I had to put bandages around them just to keep them to still work. So I'm always armed with outfits. I have armor everywhere. The only parts I don't have as protection is my hands and my face. Besides that, everything's basically proof. This is just one regular hand. This is another hand with a knife under it. And this is my face that can knock you out with a knife. So now it's time to defeat you. Well, that's where you're wrong, because there's actually one thing you messed up on. Like what? Focusing on not only me, but the people behind you. Wait, what? Get him! Huh? You forgot about me, punk? Where'd you come from? Oh, my face. Sing. Oh, shoot. I forgot his knife. My legs. Shoot. Now, after I kill you, I'll kill everybody else. And then you'll be nothing but the first one dead. Say goodbye, buddy boy. Goodbye. I'm the only one that can outmatch you. You might be a one-struck bear, but you're not struck with my knife. Oh no, his knife. We gotta get rid of that thing. You don't stand a chance, mister. Hey! Huh? Give me that knife! No! I got the knife! I got the knife! No! My knife! You guys got rid of it. But that's not the end. Can I have a second one? Right here in my pocket! Ha ha ha! Thanks for the free knife, sucker. Well, oh, come on! You'll never win! No! Hey! Backup has arrived, baby! Get him! What the? Woo! Get off of me, you little! Oh no! He took back the knife! I got one left! No! No! Oh no! We just lost a soldier! Go, Groot! Alright! Oh, man! I got him down! Go for him! He can take out more than one person! Alright! Oh! My eye! Get off of me! Oh God, incoming! Get down. I couldn't breathe. I got to sacrifice my knife to stab him. Oh. No! Bun! Oh no, he's been stabbed! Time to sacrifice you. No, please! No! Time to get this dead body out of here. Oh no! Lefty! Get off of me, you stupid fox! I didn't want to have to do this! Minion, attack! Minion? I'm a fat man, so I'm strong! One knocked out, more to go! Oh, no! I can't breathe. I got him! Let go of me! Time to kill my hook! It's starting to get weaker. Get him! I can't hold him much longer! He's getting too strong! Help! I need to sacrifice myself. The only way I can kill him is if I kill myself. I'm going to have to push him off the ledge with myself. Incoming! No! I'm going to break your neck! No! Get out of here! Few more to go. Dreadbear! No! I'm sorry, buddy! Huh? Dreadbear! No! She's us three left. It's time to kill you, buddy! I got you, pal! Oh god. Fart stinks. Haha, sucker! Punch you in the face! This is my only chance. Goodbye, sucker! Oh god. Guys! Oh man. At least I'm still alive. Guys! Guys! You guys okay? Oh god, you idiot. Oh, it's time to finish you off. No, please, no! Shing! No! Now he's dead. Guys! Oh my god, Rockstar Freddy! Toy Foxy! We gotta get you guys out of here. Come on! Guys, after fighting all of those bad guys, we finally did it. We saved the world from the bad guys. There were the two bad guys dead after falling off the cliff. And unfortunately, our good friends are dead. We lost Bun, Curtis, Dreadbear, and our Groot. Groot got stabbed in the stomach and then got thrown off the cliff. Curtis got stabbed in the head, fell off the cliff. Dreadbear committed suicide to kill the bad guy, and Bun died. And you are lucky, Lefty, that you're alive. You fell off the cliff, but you're fine. You fractured all your bones, but at least your head's okay. Yeah, it's fine. And also, we got the golden play button. Rockstar Freddy for passing 1 million subscribers on YouTube. We're not doing this again.